Hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general no contact love reading for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising for the rest of the month of April 2026. This is a general reading. This might or might not resonate. Roles can be reversed also. Action can be from your side also, and if it is not resonating, definitely not your story. Please don't try to force yourself to fit into my readings, honey. I don't care about anybody else, but at least not mine. Even if it is resonating 100% with you, don't take it as a personal reading and make life changing decisions or choices. Take the messages as the guidance only and do the right thing, whatever you feel like. Me or my channel is not responsible for your stupidity. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box, will find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. The person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. So we have the Three of Cups, the High Priestess, the Ten of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Death card. There is a short transformation in this person's energies regarding this situation. This person, from deep inside, this person is feeling like this is something that is gone. If not completely gone, this has transformed into something that it is never going to be the same again as it used to be. So this person's energies towards this particular situation is that this situation is completely different from what it used to be, and it is never going to be the same again ever in this lifetime. Okay, when it comes to the surface level or conscious level energies, we have the Three of Cups, the High Priestess, the Ten of Pentacles. This person feels a lot about you being with someone else, you being having somebody else in your life, you enjoying your life, you doing your own thing. This person might not be very sure about this fact that you are dealing with someone else also, but they are feeling like they're thinking about this, and they feel like intuitively that intuitively they know that there is someone else also in the mix. Even if you guys are not together from last 3 years or something, this person is feeling like still attached to you, and they still feel like if you are dealing with someone else, it's kind of cheating. This is what they're feeling. And they feel like you are settled or you're about to get settled, in the sense you are married or you're about to get married or engaged or committed to someone else. This is what they're feeling. From time to time, they feel this minute desire to connect with you, to have a reconciliation with you, not on a very deeper level, not like, oh my god, I'm dying for Libra or something. From time to time, they feel like, okay, we guys can connect maybe at some point of time. But they feel like now you are dealing with someone else, now you are moving on, and now you are not interested in them anymore, and the situation is completely different from what it used to be, and it is never going to be the same again. These are this person's feelings towards you, or the vice versa. If the roles are reversed, take it how it resonates with you. Let's see what this person wants from you, Libra. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? So we have the Knight of Cups, the Ace of Pentacles, the King of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Death again. Oh my goodness. This person wants a rebirth here, right? This person wants a like start here. They know this is never going to be the same again as it used to be, but still they want a chance to reconnect. Okay. Now when it comes to this energy of consciously what they want, Knight of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, Knight, King of Wands. You know, this person wants to come forward towards you with some kind of message, communication, or apology, with some kind of stable offer of, okay, let's start from the start, and this time we are not going to repeat the same kind of mistakes that we did in the past. But they don't want to lose their ego or pride. They want to be in this energy of, okay, even if I'm coming forward towards you, even if I'm offering you something, it doesn't mean that I'm a weak person or I'm dying without you or I don't have a life without you. This energy they want to maintain, that they have a life apart from you also, They in fact a very good life, and they are doing really great in their life with or without you. So they want to come forward offering you something solid, offering you something stable, but they don't want to lose their ego or pride. They're like in this energy of, okay, if I'm offering you something, it doesn't mean that I'm weak or I don't have a life apart from you. This thing they want to make sure. Okay, like King of Wands is a like person who doesn't think about consequences, but they have high ego or pride. Hmm? So they want to maintain that. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the end of April 2026, Libra. So we have the Page of Cups, the Temperance, and the Fool card. Bottom of the deck is the Four of Cups. They are going to be severely disappointed by the options that they are going to get in their life for their love and relationship area. So out of that disappointment, there are quite good chances that this person might connect with you. They might connect with you like a simple, genuine hi or hello. Like this person might open up to you emotionally, not too much, but they are going to start with an emotional kind of energy, right? And then after connecting or reconnecting, they might take things really very, very slow. This time, this person is going to make sure that they are not going to repeat the same kind of mistakes of recklessness, carelessness, and trying to move things very quickly kind of energy. So somebody might end up showing it in your inbox, in your call list, message communication, maybe some kind of apology, genuine heartfelt energies, not too much but good enough to start a communication. And then taking things really very, very slow and trying not to make this trying not to make the same kind of mistakes again, repeat the same kind of mistakes again. This time they are trying their best. This time they will try their best to make things very, very slow and gentle and beautiful. Move things very, very slow and gentle and beautiful. Now there is this energy of them coming forward. Right now I don't see any kind of full on reconciliation or them begging for a relationship or something, but I do see this genuine energy of wanting to reconnect and eventually doing that. Good chances of that. Now the roles can be reversed also. Take it how it resonates with you. And if you know this is not possible, they have their own life, they are doing their own thing, they have kids, they have family, or whatever reason, for whatever reason you know that this is not possible, then stick to your reality, not a random YouTuber on YouTube, right, telling you things, right? You should even like I'm telling you guys, a lot of people think tarot is some kind of magic and it's fortune telling or something. It's not. It's just a guidance and this energy of what could happen because of your energies, your open energies or your healed energies or unhealed ones. Okay, so what could happen? Simple. If you know it's not possible, then it's not happening. Stick to the truth and the reality. Like never, never, never leave the truthful and honest side of your life, no matter who is telling you what. You know better than anyone else. This is your life. Let's see the guidance here, Libra, for you guys for this month, for this situation. All I dream is you. We have Three of Wands, Ten of Wands, Five of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Queen of Wands. You guys have to keep yourself in this energy of, if somebody is coming, good. If somebody is not coming, I have my own life. I have my own dreams. I have my own work to do. I have my own life to get sorted. I have a life purpose. So you guys have to detach yourself completely from the idea of depending on something else or someone else to be happy or to keep moving forward in your life, right? And that was a deeper level message. And physically, or you can say consciously, what you guys can do, that is the like the subconscious energy that you guys have to change. The Queen of Wands. On a conscious level, you guys should keep moving forward. Yes, it is difficult to keep moving forward. Yes, it is difficult to get out of this feeling left out in the cold kind of energy, maybe feeling like a victim kind of energy. Might be you have become comfortable with these energies, but the time has come for you guys to drop this heavy and burdensome kind of energies and keep moving forward and come out of this victim mode that only somebody else or something else can make you happy. It's your responsibility, not anybody else's. Even if you are in the most beautiful, most healthiest, most strongest born on this planet earth, that's your responsibility to keep yourself happy, not theirs. Hmm? And the vice versa is also applicable. So keep moving forward physically, energetically, and you guys have to deal with this feeling left out in the cold kind of energy, feeling like lost and confused maybe in your love and relationship area. You guys have to keep leaving this kind of energies behind and keep moving forward, right? Let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Libra. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it, just leave it, okay? And if you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for that particular situation. I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise, and your time starts now. So we have no. It's a clear cut no. Cool. Got it. So thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.